Hi, I'm Chris from ServiceChannel.
And I'm Jill.
The Jill and Chris Show.
Today we're here to talk about asset management. We just published a free ebook called Ready, Set, Go, the 3 phases of enterprise asset management.
This is the second ebook in our asset management series. The first was around building the business case for a proactive asset management strategy.
So to learn more, we're calling up Leum Fahey, ServiceChannel's resident expert on all things assets. We're going to be asking him some of the common questions that we keep hearing from customers as they think about embarking on this asset journey.
Thanks for joining us, Liam.
Hey, Liam.
Hey, Jill. Hey, Chris. It's great to be here.
So the latest ebook breaks down the asset management journey into 3 phases. And the first phase is planning. This is when you define your objectives and you choose the model that's going to work best for your business.
So Liam, the first question that always comes up is, how do you build a business case around asset management strategy?
So building the business case is all about getting the funding. In order to get the funding, you have to sell the concept of asset management in your organization. In order to do that, you need to focus on a few key areas of the business. Those areas include what value are you bringing to your customer experience? What are you increasing for revenues? How are you saving costs on the facilities management budget? And how are you improving in sustainability, not burning or using excess energy as a result of not properly maintaining your assets?
Right. We often help customers build their case internally.
The next question is about the model to use. And I know there's different approaches for how you audit your assets, build an inventory, and collect all that data that you need. So what's the biggest consideration you should have in mind when you're choosing the model that's right for your business?
I would say the biggest consideration is the trade-off between time and budget. The fastest way to audit your assets and to collect that asset data is to hire a partner to go capture the information for you. But most of us aren't fortunate enough to have that budget. So we're going to have to find alternate ways to capture that asset data, which is going to result in taking longer to get the asset data collected.
Thanks, Liam. That makes sense. Stay right there because we have some more questions for you for the rest of this video series.
To learn more about planning or the additional phases covered in the ebook, visit servicechannel.com or see the link in the comments below. So Liam, the first question that comes up is how do you,
Let's do that again.